In this video, we're looking at ECAA 2020, Section 1, Question 29. So we have an expression for a sequence here. X n plus 1 equals minus 12 over x of n. We know that n has to be an integer that's bigger than or equal to 1, and our 50th term is 6. And our question is, what is the sum of the first 15 terms of the sequence? So how can we go about working this out? Well, let's start looking at something we already have the information for. We know the 50th term here, so we can work that out. So if we know the 50th term here, we know it has to be minus 12 over the term that came before it, so the 49th term there. And we know that equals 6, so 6 equals minus 12 over the 49th term. And the 49th term we can then work out is minus 12 over 6, which equals minus 2. So let's use this and plug it back into our equation to see if we can work out some more information. So our 49th term is a minus 12 over the term before it there. So that means we can plug in our minus 2 and find that the 48th term is minus 12 over minus 2, which equals 6. Now, there's something going on here. We can start to see a pattern because we know that our term before that is, our 50th term is 6. So we go 6 minus 2, 6. We know that if we put 6 back into our equation, our next term is going to be minus 2. So we have a pattern going on. So we can say that all of our even terms are going to be equal to 6 and all of our odd terms are going to be equal to minus 2. So that we can use to work out our sum. So if we have a think about all of our numbers 1 to 15, how many even numbers do we have? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 times 6, which is 42. And how many odd terms do we have? Well, we have 15 minus 7, which is 8 terms. So that's minus 2 times 8, or minus 16. So now all we need to do is add these terms together. So that's 42 minus 16, or 26. So that's our final answer, which corresponds to answer E.